Hello everyone, for today's video, we're going to, of course, unboxing. As you can see, there it is. This is actually mine, and Stephanie wanted to have her own, and she bought it today. So, without further ado, we're going to do unboxing of bright new one-ear headphones. So, this is how it looks inside the box, of course, or the photo outside of the box. And let's see how it looks inside. And the back, it's showing that it has this free C cord and A cord. So it's microphone, voice control, standby, playtime is 35 hours. Wow. So she already almost opened it. And
3, 2, 1.
inside, this is how it looks. Oh, it's so light. Nice. And you cannot take this off. I thought you can. So this is how it looks. It's so very light. How much it cost?
199.
So it's almost 200 crowns. And there's a manual, and of course the A and C cord for charging, of course. And if you try, this one is better. It's not pain in the ear. I don't know the sounds, but we'll try. This is already, there's an on and off button here. So there's no any light indicator. Press it longer. Okay, there's a light indicator. As you can see, there's a light. Now it's searching. So I'm looking for if I can find it in my other phone here. It's not. What's the name of it? Oh, bright. And now the music is in. So, and the Bluetooth here. Ay. Wow. That's too loud.
Sana all.
Wow. That is full volume, and I feel my head is like you can hear the sound. Wow. Nice music, and I like it because it's not going to hurt your ear the same. Unlike mine, this is quite, but when it comes to the quality of the sound, I don't know if it has kind of, I get the noise cancellation, and you have like, it has a voice control. It's like you can, just use your, if you're connected to this, you can talk with your phone and operate it without touching it. Like for example, Siri in Apple, but in Samsung it's Alexa. So this is really nice. It's working. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And this is very, of course, compared to this, there's no extension. As you can see, you cannot extend it. I'm not sure. You can? Oh, you can extend. I didn't know. So there's an extension, and plus it has softy thing here. I think it's almost the same as my old one. But here, this one, guys. Yeah, my old JBL. When it comes to the quality, of course, there's big difference. This one day it will, what call this? It will be rotten or something. I'm not sure. Yes, as you can see, when it comes to quality, this is much better. But when it comes to sound, of course, this is, if you can only see the difference, there's a big difference when it comes to price. Also, this one is cheaper. This one is expensive. And same with this. This one is with wire. And this is what I'm talking about. One day, it will happen that this will be same as this. Unlike with this one, it's not. It's because it's made of stronger, and it's made of cloth. And this. This is not a cloth. It's the same as this. This is synthetic. Synthetic skin or leather. But anyway, the most important is the quality. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. It's playing. Can I try another music? I want some other music here. I have the disco. Yeah, this one. I want this. Of course. Never mind guys because it has a ads. Still ads. Because Stephanie is not using premium. So the music that you hear is from this. It's loud. So that is full volume already. So that's it guys. Again, thank you for watching. So this is very affordable and very nice. And as you can see, as I said, this is not painful to the ear. I like this. It's also because this is much durable than this. Nice, good quality sound in this. And I like it. It's big and silver and white, of course. Stephanie, of course, you have to take this one. And it's affordable. When it comes to the quality, of course, there's two big difference. But this one is already like okay, acceptable for Stephanie's study because she wants, she loves music, and I understand that she don't want any wire, especially when she's driving her electric scooter. This is wireless, so you have to charge it before you're going to use actually. I only test it, so that's it. Bye again.